Ang dumi. Tada. Mic test, mic test. Mic test. Hello. Flavor nito is ube matcha. So, bakit ako nandito ngayon? Well, first of all, hindi ko mabuksan to. Ano ka kasi? Since medyo hectic ang life. Like, madaming nangyayari. Naisip ko, since gagawa na din naman ako ng content, mag-share ako ng mga quotes na I think parang super relate ako and gusto ko i-share sa mga tao para magkaroon sila ng new perspective. So parang deep talks with mukbang. Pero ayun ko kung mukbang ko kasi tipid mo naman kakainin ko. Pero kailangan natin bilisan kasi aim ko is mag-preserve yung lighting. Kasi ang ganda ng lighting, diba? Ayun. So, mag-share ako ng 5 quotes. Kasi pag nagbabasa ako ng quotes, parang napapaisip ako, parang Bible verse na. Pag nagbabasa ako, parang naiisip ko, nare-realize ko yung mga bagay-bagay na gano'n. So, let's start. So, ang food ko ngayon, spam musubi. Tsaka kwek-kwek. Yun lang. Spam musubi. Tsaka, so, let's start with the first one. Ito actually, mga honorable mentions. So, nag-prepare ako ng 5. Actually, nag-prepare ako ng 7. Pero, pumili lang ako ng top 5. Tapos yung dalawa honorable mentions. Yung first one ay, a fallen tree makes a loud noise, but a growing seed makes noise. Kung iisipin mo, ano? Pag bumagsak yung tree, like pag pinutol mo siya, bumagsak siya, like super lakas. Pero kapag, kunyari, nagtanim ka ng seed, walang sound. So, parang pag may isip mo, parang makaka-relate siya in real life. Pag nagkakaroon ng mistake sa mga tao, like, parang super loud. Ayun. Pero, when you think about it, kapag nag-grow ka, tahimik lang kasi nga, you're building from scratch. Hindi naman from scratch, pero ganun ito. Okay, next. Isn't it funny how day by day, nothing changes, but when you look back, everything is different. Ayun, same reaction, parang, wow, that's so true. Kasi, parang everyday, kung titingnan mo everyday, walang magbabago sa routine mo. Pero if you look at years, makikita mo, may nagbago. So parang ang point niya is, progress happens little by little. Ang point is, you're not gonna see changes every day. Pero you just need to keep going. Kasi in the long run makikita kung ano yung mga nagbago sa buhay mo, nagbago sa sarili mo. Ayun, so you just have to keep going, diba? Yun lang. Next, ito na top 5 na tayo. You can add life to your days, but you can't add days to your life. Parang, every day you can live your life to the fullest. Like, you can add fun, you can add whatever, you can do whatever you want. You can be whoever you want. Dapat, ganun talaga. Diba? You should be whoever you want, you should do whatever you want. Kasi, ayun yung mga things na nakokontrol mo. Pero, ang hindi mo makokontrol is how long you get to live. How long you can keep doing the things that you can control. Ito na lang kasi adjust ako ng unjust. Ano pang ibang gagawin ko sa buhay? I only get one life. Why should I do the things that upset me? Diba? Top 4. Regret is proof that you've grown. The fact that you wish you could have done better means you have grown into a person that would. Ako, since I'm a person na even the little mistakes, nire-regret ko. Parang it hit me na, oo nga no, if I didn't regret that thing na ginawa ko noon, ibig sabihin, I would still do that. In a way, hindi ako nagbago or hindi ako nag-improve, diba? if hindi ko nire-regret yun. Pero since nag-regret ako, that means may nangyari na improvement, di ba? So parang thinking of it that way, yung regret ko parang nagiging learning lesson siya. Which is tama naman. Pero ayun, imbes na nagiging sad ako for my regrets, iniisip ko na lang na, okay, this is proof na I learned from that. And I've become a better person. Third, to be the same as before would be an insult to all that I've been through. Ito naman, ay hindi na ako nakainom, wala na. Na-distract na ako. Parang same siya sa fourth, pero less focusing on regrets and more as a whole, parang ganun. Parang sa lahat ng pinagdaanan ko, it's natural na I've changed kasi dahil nga sa mga pinagdaanan ko, I know how to act. Ganun. Tama ba? Hindi ko siya ma-explain. Kaya pag nagbe-birthday, ang dami ko nang na-attend na debut. Now, na-realize ko na parang ayoko palang i-wish na mag-stay the same sila. Kasi diba usually ayun yung mga wish. Parang ayoko palang i-wish na ayoko i-wish sa tao yung parang I hope you never change. Kasi parang I put pressure on them. Kasi what if ayaw nila yung version nila that time? And sinabi ko na I wish you never change. So parang makakagulo lang sa tao. Diba? Like, sa sarili nila, gusto nila man-change. Like, gusto nila mag-improve. Pero sinabihan mo na sana you never change. So, anong gagawin na tao? Diba? To apply it to myself, parang, I'm glad I've changed. Ganun. After everything I've been through. Kasi, in a way, the change that happened within me, parang, helped me go through the stuff I've been through. Kung hindi ako nagbago, I would stay doing the same things as before, and I don't think I want that. Kasi sa life, di ba dapat we're constantly growing, and dapat we're constantly improving. So if we stay constant, walang nagbabago since constant na. Pero if we stay constant, parang hindi natin na-improve yung mga bagay na pwede pa natin i-improve sa sarili natin. Ewan ko kung na-explain ko, pero since okay na yun, basta naintindihan ko, di ba? Okay na yun. Mas pamasubi na tayo. Second, different does not mean that you are behind. Actually, naging helpful din to sa akin. Sasabi mo nga kanina, parang I'm someone who has a lot of regrets. And palagi akong nag-overthink. Palagi kong dinadoubt yung sarili ko. Like, kino-compare ko yung the things I've done in my life compared to the things that other people have done in their life. Parang yung, parang if titignan natin, lahat ng tao may different stories, may different timelines sa buhay. Just because magkakaiba tayo, kunyari, let's say, the differences we have is the product of the sacrifices we made. And since ang bawat tao ay may iba-ibang sacrifices sa kanilang buhay, bawat tao ay may iba-ibang storyline, timeline, pace. Pero it doesn't mean that we're missing out on things. Or kulelat tayo, kumbaga. It doesn't mean that. It just means na iba yung story natin sa story nila. Diba? So what? Go at your own pace. Go at your own flow. Especially since now, hindi ako mag-overshare, pero since now, medyo may mga doubts ako, may mga thoughts ako, thinking na I'm so behind. Nung nabasa ko yung quote na yun, na-realize ko na, oh, okay, I'm not behind. I'm just experiencing stuff at a different time compared to others. And I sacrificed different stuffs compared to others. That's why, ganito yung buhay ko, ganito yung pacing ng buhay ko. Pero, that doesn't mean I'm behind. Ganun yung realization ko sa quotes na to. Okay, nasa last quote na pala tayo. Don't compare yourself to anyone who hasn't lived your life before. In other words, don't compare yourself to anyone at all. Ayan, para siguro isa yun sa mga favorite quotes ko. Why? Ayun nga, parang paulit-ulit ko nang sinabi na I'm someone who always thinks about the mistakes I've made and palagi ako nag-overthink. And palagi ko rin kino-compare yung sarili ko sa iba. Kino-compare ko kung ano yung meron ako sa meron ng iba. Nung nabasa ko yung quote na yun, napaisip ako na, ay na naman, diba? Oo nga, no? Like, buhay ko to. Buhay ko to. Diba? Joke. Kino-compare ko yung buhay ko sa buhay ng iba. Pero, I never stop to realize na buhay ko to. And buhay niya yun. Obviously, magkaiba kaming tao. So, magkaiba yung buhay namin, diba? Parang sa movies, magkaiba yung genre ng movies, ng dalawang movies. Kunya may rom-com, may thriller. So, obviously, magkaiba yung content sila, diba? That's the same sa mga tao. Since magkaiba nga ng buhay, magkakaiba ng experiences, diba? So, magkakaiba ng life lessons na natutunan. Magkakaiba yung morals. Kada may dumadaan, tumitingin sa akin, sabi siguro, bakit nagawa na to? Bakit pag solo lang siya? Pero, I enjoy moments like this. Ayun nga, going back to the first quote. Hala, ano ba? Ang tagal na nito. Going back to the first quote, parang I do things that I love. Like this. Mahilig akong tumambay sa gantong lugar and kakain lang ako and makikinig ako sa music. But right now, I'm doing something else. Pero it's still something that I love. And isn't that what life is all about? Oh my gosh, life lessons with Rain A. Rosper. Going back to my last quote of the day, bago ako umuwi. So, ayun, parang when I read that quote, sabi ko, okay, I'll try to stop comparing myself. Kasi nga, kumbaga sa life, meron tayong iba't ibang, ay nga, paulit-ulit ako, may iba't ibang experiences. And may iba't ibang context. Nagustuhan na yung spam mo, so, nabos ko na, para matapos na ako. So, going back, context. Sa bawat buhay ng tao ay everything na na-experience ng tao, ginagawa ng tao, or whatever, ay context. Kasi people choose, di ba, only the parts that they want to show. Lalo na sa social media. Since private ang buhay ng mga tao, syempre, hindi lahat ay malalaman ng other tao kahit na best friends kayo. Hindi mo malalaman lahat ng nangyayari sa their thoughts, hindi mo yung fully malalaman. Kahit na may malaman ka na madami sa isang tao, you're not going to fully know them kasi the only one that hopefully fully knows them is themselves. So, pag mag-share yung tao, pili lang yung i-share, di ba? Hindi lahat. So, let's say, ang pinakita lang ng tao ay yung highs sa buhay niya. Hindi niya pinakita yung lows. And makita ko yun. I-compare ko yung sarili ko, yung highs na experience ko so far, sa ultimate high niya. Siyempre, hindi ko maiiwasan ma-compare yung sarili ko, di ba? Pero, to stop comparing myself, dapat isipin ko rin na para ma-achieve nila yung highs na yun, ay dumaan muna sila sa super lows. Parang parabola. Amen. So, ayun, dumaan muna sila sa lows na yun bago ma-achieve yung high na yun. To relate that to my life, I've also gone through different highs and different lows. And sa buhay, ako lang yung makaka-experience ng highs ko na yun and yung lows ko na yun. And sa buhay ng iba, sila lang yung makaka-experience nung highs na yun at nung lows nila na yun. So, who am I to compare my highs to someone else's highs? Parang unfair lang sa akin at sa kanya. Kasi nga, yun nga, magkaiba ng context yung buhay namin. So, naturally, magkaiba yung results, magkaiba yung sacrifice namin, magkaiba yung magiging outcome ng buhay namin. Pero in going back dun sa isang quote, just because it's different doesn't mean na it's bad or someone is behind. Diba? Connected silang lahat. Ang galing ko. Ano ba yung point? Ano ba ang point ko, diba? Hindi ko naman alam kung na-explain properly yung mga quotes. If nako-convey ko ba na maayos yung thoughts ko. Pero, ayun nga. Going back na naman. Connected talaga lahat. Going back, maybe I'm just doing this. The reason I'm doing this right now, the reason ko, sinasabi ko yung mga pinagsasabi ko is, it's something that I enjoy and I encourage you, whoever is watching, I say, to do the same. To do what you love, to do what you like. Kasi, in the end, ang ingay. In the end, ang ingay, di ba? In the end, buhay mo naman to eh. You know, do what you want with your life. Kasi it's your life anyways, di ba? Additional lang, kahit na life is scary, I love thinking about life. Why? Kasi ang cool lang, di ba? Ang daming tao sa mundo. And lahat sila may iba't ibang story. May iba't ibang hinanakit, may iba't ibang happiness. And in the end, we're all just trying, di ba? So, let's try our best. There's a word for that, sonder. I love that word then. It's nice to think about these things. Alam mo yun, kahit yung parang pagod ka na thinking about school or work, kung ano ang ginagawa mo. When you stop and think about other things na, for me, when I stop and think about things like this, instead of yung mga problems ko, parang nawala yung problems ko and I appreciate life. Anyways, to conclude, live your life. Kasi you only live once. YOLO. Okay, time to go home kasi gabi na. Pero look at my view. Wow, amazing. Time to go home and time to go back to reality. Thank you for listening.